Local news for Monday the 29th of October. Migration in New Zealand is up with official census results not due out till next year. It's estimated that to the 30th of June this year, Masterton has seen a population increase of 2.1%, South Wairarapa 2.3% and Carterton at 3.1%. A workshop aimed at preventing rural crime is taking place next month at the Carterton Event Centre. Hosted by Federated Farmers, the workshop aims to provide information to better protect rural families, community and their properties from crime. Stop-goes will be in place in at least 2 spots on the Rimataka Hill in various locations as work continues over the next couple of weeks. Work includes hillside stabling on the corner 4 kilometres north of the summit. And Wairarapa Bush had to settle for second yesterday against Honowhenua Kapiti in the Lahore Cup final at Levin Domain. Down 16-7 at half-time, the Stags fought back extremely hard but went down 26-23 by the time the full-time whistle was blown.